Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Google Play Store error. This app installed on your device did not came from the Google Play Store. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, the app installed on your device didn't came from Google Play Store, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, mostly this problem occur for few apps when you download some apps on the Play Store, because that app may be any third party app. So if you are seeing this, just click on uninstall and download from the particular its official website, or try to download. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the app installed on your device did not came from Google Play Store in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.